Funky Science. I'm Professor TJ.
And her sister Nelly Welly.
And today we have an interesting experiment for you.
But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
But before we start, let us tell you something about this experiment. Learn science and a few cool tricks at home with this experiment. This is a great way for entertaining kids, but you're never too old to try it. You can do this version right away with the stuff you've already got. In this experiment, you will need a balloon, a piece of cardboard, a pack of drawing pins or thumbtacks. And remember kids, always have an adult present as you're doing this experiment.
Safety first!
All the time. So Nelly,
yeah,
ready to start?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what I want you to do,
blow
this balloon for me. Blow it bigger. Again. Okay, that's big enough. Then tie a knot.
Tie a knot.
Goody. Now hold on to the balloon, and then I have here thumbtacks, which are quite sharp. So kids, be careful when you're using this, and always ask an adult to help you. So I'm going to take index card and the thumbtacks. Going to poke through. So Nelly, can you show we've made our bed of nails with thumbtacks?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've brought an extra balloon just to show you something, yeah? So what you can do now, place the balloon on top of the thumbtacks and see what happens. Just place it on top. Place it on top.
Just place.
Yes. So, did your balloon survive? As long as you push your balloon down into the middle of the set of drawing pins, you should be good to go. The pressure is shared between the many pins. When the balloon is just one and one pin, then the pin goes straight through the balloon and pops the balloon. When you push down just as hard, but the balloon is touching 10 pins, then it is as if each pin is an individual pin and only pushing 1/10 hard into the balloon. And that is not enough to burst your balloon. I hope you at home were able to do this experiment. This is all we have for you today. See you next time on Funky Science. Bye!